Loredana does not touch the fish.
No touch. That's why you wanted him to come.
Ready. Go.
Go?
Yes.
Okay, ready.
Do I mix? No? Okay.
Ready? Go.
Have a tray.
Ma ora o after o...
No, now. He says to cut the head in half.
Ah, ok.
So, okay?
Okay.
Con
This
lemon
is-
and oil and... This is very good for...
This is the fish we had. This is the sashimi we had.
Yes.
The first, and it's called amberjack.
Yes.
And in Italian you say
Si chiama
Ricciola.
ricciola.
ricciola. And this is the one we had the first night we were here, Joan.
Actually, the ricciola is very close to amberjack, but this one has a stain on the tail because it's a Mediterranean amberjack.
Oh, Mediterranean. Ah, perfect. And it was very good, by the way.
Yeah, it was
And
excellent.
when you did
we
the
had
sashimi,
sashimi.
Loredana, olive oil,
Yes. Lemon.
lemon,
Molto lemon.
malt of lemon. Did you do
spices.
garlic? Small, cut, thin.
Sottile, sottile.
Yes.
Red pepper.
But red
But you
pepper.
put spices.
Yeah, red pepper.
Yes, e
Yeah.
poi ho messo... Questo l'ho portato dalla Grecia. È un
Oh,
mix.
see, Joan, look, take a close.
In
It's a mix.
Atene, Greece.
Greece.
This is Greece,
Yes.
and it has
But it's a
Red pepper,
Black
green
pepper.
pepper,
Yeah.
salt,
Oregano.
pink
Oh, yeah, pink salt.
salt, and
Rosemary?
Oregano.
rosemary, garlic.
Anne is here.
shed soup. Soup. Open. So here, now what we're going to do, what are we making today?
Però little soup per prendere tutto il pesce.
See this, Joan?
Another soup,
Oh, okay.
the second round.
Second round.
See?
Okay. Okay.
Allora facciamo il primo brodo, poi
Boil.
after,
Yes. After, yeah.
prendiamo questo e tu lo
We
devi
Do we cut?
the piece of fish
Yes, all that fish, yes.
e facciamo
Oh,
il
that.
condimento per la pasta.
Okay, just. Oh, garlic. Roasted garlic.
Yes.
Roasted garlic.
No roast and dry.
Yeah. Oh, just dry.
Dry.
No roast.
No.
Dry. Some
And
dry.
do you put
It's
in
very
here, or
good.
do you put in here, or
In
later?
What, the garlic?
Or there. Yeah.
Garlic,
Sì, sì.
sun
Okay,
dry.
Loredana, you want small
Big.
pieces like
Yes,
this?
yes.
We have to go to this place in Syracuse.
Yes.
Oh, very good spezie.
Syracuse, by the
Ortigia, but
Ortigia Island.
Yes, ortigia.
See.
Ortigia.
These and
That's where you pick up in
these
Syracuse.
and
there is a market there
Oh,
with
the
all the
beautiful
herbs.
Oh,
Yeah.
the market in Ortigia Island is superb. So what do we put inside here? We have the we have olive oil,
the red pepper.
Shallot?
shallot.
Shallot?
Shallot. Yeah, this is
Red-
in English shallot.
ma in Italian è cipolla di Tropea.
Okay.
Cipolla di Tropea.
Beautiful.
Yes,
Oh,
very beautiful.
Onion from Tropea.
Okay.
From Tropea.
Tropea onion is very famous in
It's
Italy.
very
It's a red onion,
right.
grows in that area.
Do you want?
Mercato.
Questo è invece il coso rosso, come si chiama?
Roasted
Coso
pepper.
rosso. Coso rosso.
Paprika?
No, paprika, ok. Paprika.
Paprika.
Yes, ce ne sto mettendo un pochino.
Your Italian is getting better. Too.
I know.
Harry, Ari, not so good.
Now you don't have to call Harry anymore. You have to call Ari.
Ari, yes.
Do I break? Break up? No, just like
Okay,
that.
yes.
Okay.
Nice job.
Oh, that's me. Okay.
Your Italian is very good.
Do I stir here? Do I stir? Well done?
Yes.
Yes.
Ciamenti intera.
Certo, e se no come li togli?
Take some pictures too, Johnny. Okay.
Yeah.
Crudo. This is sauce.
The sauce.
Summer.
Summer.
Tomato.
Oh,
Summer. Summer
we grew up on
Yes.
where Orazio said no grow tomatoes. No. Thank you, Orazio.
Harry, don't you think that
This is our tomatoes that we grew up on by Piopi, no?
Yes.
The little ones?
Orazio.
The little ones?
The little ones, yes.
Oh,
Loredana froze this year.
wonderful, wonderful.
Okay, so now I stir, Loredana.
Yes.
This, I'm very proud of the fact that we grew
Ora
these.
ci mettiamo il pesce, il sale, facciamo il brodetto.
profumo.
Poi dopo prendiamo questi pezzi, li mettiamo. Nel frattempo faccio altro olio con aglio, prezzemolo di nuovo, altro pomodoro, capito? E poi quel brodetto lo mettiamo là.
Can you translate what she said?
Do che lo...
Complicated.
Got that?
So she will do the soup with the fish first.
Very complicated.
Then take the fish out. We'll prepare on a pan oil, garlic, and put the fish there.
Okay.
Well, but we'll see as she does it.
Absolutely.
So now this goes in.
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
all the cabbage. Oh, the garbage. Do I put this too?
No.
Just this.
Yes.
You never spare me details as you confide in me. I smile and give advice, but cannot tell you how I feel. How easy it would be to fall for you. But that, of course, is something I won't do. 'Cause we've agreed.
Oh, this is going to be beautiful.
Ora,
Cover now?
yes.
But you got the tail out, no?
Non ci interessa.
Okay, no problem.
No.
Where's the cover? Here? This one?
Yes.
Ah! Where did you get this, Loredana? Where did you get
Dove l'hai
For me? Oh, very good.
Non è studiata questa ricetta così.
Perché quando faccio le zuppe come le faccio?
Così li fai?
Certo. Perché succiato così?
Allora questo sta vedendo lo stesso stile di un fish soup.
Sì.
Fish.
Okay.
So we take, this is going to be the
Ora
soup.
questa deve cuocere
Usually
3
she does with the
minuti.
same procedure. A soup with fish. Put different type of full
Yes,
fish.
yes, I
Ora
remember.
in quella pentola, perché siamo 4, perciò basta la pentola piccola, ora facciamo il sughetto finale per la pasta.
Ok.
Ma metto olio, di nuovo il pomodoro, però questa volta metto il garlic, di nuovo tomato, tomato. E questo lo lasciamo per aggiungerlo dopo, capito?
E poi si filtra.
Lo filtro, questo lo filtro perché ci può essere qualche spina, qualche cosa.
Do we pick the meat off of here to put in here?
Prendo la carne da lì.
Lui la prende la
Sì.
carne.
Io tu dura. It's your job.
Loredana does not touch the fish.
No touch. That's why you wanted him to come.
No problem. We wait.
120, quindi va benissimo.
Okay. So
That's
One.
That's enough for 4.
two.
2.
1, 2, 4.
4. That's
Enough.
enough for 4.
Not too much pasta.
No, 80 grams each is more than
Too
enough.
much pasta? No, not enough pasta.
Yeah, I'm doing half.
It's okay?
Yeah, oh, no problem. It's totally good.
They say that love is blind.
32, 220, that's 250, more than enough.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm cutting. We're cutting our pasta in half.
Me too.
Our food.
You too?
Our food in half.
All our food eating.
I have to
One
suck-
half.
Actually,
When we went to Vancouver, I couldn't lose weight in Vancouver.
in the evening, in the
5
evening,
pounds in Vancouver.
yeah, in the evening I take just one fruit.
Yeah.
I don't have supper.
Good idea. Yeah.
You didn't drive this morning?
No,
No. Okay. You just opened the gate.
yeah.
Okay. Olive oil and a little bit of garlic.
Dried garlic.
Dried garlic from Siracusa, which is on the Ortigia Island, the market
Yes.
from Ortigia Island.
Okay.
Orazio, ce l'ha con qualcuno, Maya?
And you have red cheese?
Oh, excuse me.
Tomato sauce and parsley.
Maya, you no, I can't touch you now, Maya. I'm busy.
No, Maya, no, eh?
So you're taking the meat off the bones?
Yes.
Delicious. Wow, delicious, we don't know. Looks good, smells good.
Can you tell by smelling it?
That's all that's left of the head. This no, right?
Only
This-
the meat,
This no skin.
Skin così.
la pelle.
No, 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 no. Chissà che bravo lui.
You approve?
This is Loredana. No.
You should have studied for surgery.
Oh yeah, exactly. See,
Plastic
had to-
surgery.
I couldn't go to
Yeah.
I couldn't go to university because she wanted to get married.
Yeah, I know. And we lost a surgeon.
Orthopedic surgeon.
And yeah.
No, this is
Eat.
con la pasta.
Yes. Okay.
This is very good.
I know. Crazy, no? Crazy good.
Good.
For Peppy.
Peppy, yes. Peppy è un selvaggio.
Yeah. This is all the bones left from the fish. Okay.
Right?
And this is the meat that we took off from there, and this is going to go into
The bones.
yes. This is going to go into the pasta.
Okay.
This is going to be for the pasta dish. Okay. So this sauce, it doesn't take too long. The sauce, no, like that, maybe 15 minutes. The sauce. It was before. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
Good, eh?
I think it's look, John. This is where the pasta. Yeah, and this is going to be the pasta.
Bottarga.
What's that?
Bottarga di tonno.
See.
Bottarga is
Can I smell?
the eggs for tuna.
For tuna eggs. Dry tuna eggs. Ah.
Wow. Smell it.
Dry tuna eggs. That's a perfect thing to put in soup. Isn't that exactly right?
That's amazing.
You need a little bit. That's a very good idea. Oh,
Capperi.
yeah. That's not from
capers.
Capers.
Yes.
Wow. We put the capers in, John. In with the fish eggs.
Okay. I think
Dried fish eggs.
I missed that.
I know, but that's okay. The capers are in there. Where do we put now, Loredana? Just leave like this? Or
Ora questo.
into there?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So now you take
Please.
this. Oh, strain.
Yes.
Friendship to an end. How crazy that would be.
Do I press?
Yes, yes, yes. Bravo.
Falling in love again.
Do you like my friend?
Oh,
Very
this
good, the
is
fish.
fantastic.
Ora ti faccio assaggiare, Gianpo.
What do we do with this, Loredana?
5 minutes.
No, this here. What do we
These
do? Garbage?
Garbage, yes.
Okay. Do you have a plate? No. Oops. Ah, perfect.
It's okay.
The smell of the sea.
Yes.
Ionian Sea.
Yes.
Ionian Sea. Yes.
You're good, no? Assaggiatore. No, Sicilian assaggiatore.
Yes. Sicilian.
Victoria.
Stupid.
Ora
Perfect. Yes.
4 minutes, 3 minutes.
3-4
e poi
minutes?
Chiudiamo.
Okay. So the heat is on low.
Low.
Low. And then this goes. Then later we make
Linguini.
linguine.
Yes.
Okay. And then the linguine goes into here, Loredana. Yes.
We'll see the world in color, though they say that love is blind. How stupid that would be, indeed. That's
New ownership of this one. Last year we were here under different ownership, and we're going to pick up. We're going to pick up.
Un mio amico canadese.
Do you have? They have the. Oh, is that the bread, Loredana?
Oliver,
Oh.
bread,
Oh, that's the olive. Oh, yes, perfect.
and quello col pomodoro. No, un filone quello schiacciato cotto, bello cotto. It's very good. Do you want bread and oil?
Yes.